Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Jinhao 01 Transparent Blue Body and Cap Fountain Pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a blue color transparent body and cap which has a thin clip portion and a ball-like structure in the bottom of the clip. And with this transparent view, you can find this is a cartridge converter type ink filling system, and a domed structure, a domed shape top portion on the cap, and it is looking so good. And with this top view, you can find an amazing view inside this pen, and the brand's name Jinhao was mentioned in this body with the symbol. And let me open this. It is a normal pulling type opening. And here this is number 5.5 nib which has a fine tip silver plated one, and you can swap with any other number 5.5 nib as we have many brands. And usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs where we have a fine medium broad and again with gold Dualtone and silver plated nibs, and also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen, so the choice is yours. For that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And in this nib it is mentioned that Jinhao, the brand's name, and F fine with the symbol with a very tiny dot. And here this is a converter. It is Jinhao brand's converter. You have to screw this in the anti-clockwise direction so the piston will move forward, and you can dip in the ink and turn this back so the ink will be filled up this portion. And if you're doing this for the first time, do this with the grip portion fixed itself, then only the ink supply will be good in this feeder portion. And otherwise you can do this with the separated converter separated like this, or else you can use cartridges for this. It's simple that you can take cartridges and fix it directly. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder. So you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and screw it up on open. This is a screw type opening. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down so it will create some space in between the tines, so we'll get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And also make sure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And let me give the measurement of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.4 mm and the body is 11.6 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 110.5 mm. And with cap it is 124.7 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this with using the pouches and all, the same aesthetic shininess will last forever. And for pouches, you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches and all with different size and different colors. And we can do engraving on the pouches too. You can check in our site. And the entire weight of this pen is 11 grams. As the holding area's diameter is a small one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers too. And as this is a transparent body, please do not use primary color inks so that it will create a stain on the body of this wall that is in the converter. And with this transparent view, it will reflect outside, so that is upon your wish. And let me give the writing sample with our pen house emerald green ink. Wow, very smooth writing. Yes, super flow, super smoothness is there. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.